Hello friends, welcome to Sufi Farm channel. I am Dr. Sufyan Ahmed, HOD of Pharmacognosy. आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे आइसोलेशन, आइडेंटिफिकेशन एंड एनालिसिस ऑफ मेंथॉल और मेंथा ऑयल। तो मेंथा ऑयल को किस तरह से आइसोलेट करते हैं, उसका आइडेंटिफिकेशन टेस्ट क्या है, उसकी फार्माकोग्नोसी क्या होती है, उसके यूजेस क्या होते हैं, इस वीडियो में हम आपसे डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। मेंथॉल और मेंथा ऑयल। मेंथॉल इज ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड मेड सिंथेटिकली और ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द कॉर्न मिंट, peppermint or other mint oils. Biological source. The menthol is obtained from the peppermint mentha oil which is taken from steam distillation. किससे obtain करते हैं? By using the steam distillation of fresh flowering top of the plant known as Mentha piperita lin belonging to family Labiaceae. Geographical source. Mentha species are cultivated in various parts of the world. It is wild in Europe, while it is cultivated in Japan, England, France, Italy, USA, and Bulgaria. And in India, it is cultivated near Jammu and Tarai region of UP. Cultivation and collection of Mentha piperita. For the cultivation of Mentha, sandy loam or alluvial soil is used and its pH is 6 to 7.5 is suitable for the growth, and the plug well and level to land. After the planting of Mentha, give light irrigation so that it is planted well. Suitable time for the timely sowing of the mentha is 5th January to 5th February. In case of the late sowing, oil content is reduced and result in low yield. For the late sowing, prepare the plant in nursery and plant in between March to first week of April in the field. Keep the distance between row to row is 30 to 45 centimeter in the planting of the mentha, generally used for fertilizer for the good yield of mentha. अगर फर्टिलाइज़र यूज़ करेंगे तो उसके अंदर जो हमें उसकी यील्ड जो रहेंगी वो ज़्यादा मिलेंगी. एंड इरिगेशन ऑफ द मेंथा डिपेंड ऑन द टाइप ऑफ सॉइल, temperature and intensity of wind. Do first irrigation immediately after sowing. Planting, continue irrigation at an interval of 20 to 25 days. Irrigation is essential after every harvesting. Mentha plant is very prone to pest. So that is the treatment with Thidan 1 to 700 ratio and Endrin 20 EC 1 to 700, sulfur 0.5% and malathion 5% are found to be very effective for the pest control. These are the pesticides. Mentha oil description. Color. It is colorless. You can see in the diagram. Odor, that is the pleasant peppermint like odor. Taste, characteristic, aromatic and cooling taste. It give the cooling taste. जैसे कि बहुत सारे हम जो है मेंथॉल जो है वो पान वगैरह जो रहता है तो पान वगैरह के अंदर भी उसका यूज़ करते हैं. एंड दवा के मेडिसिन के तौर पे तो यूज़ करते हैं, बट ईजिली अंडरस्टैंड के लिए आपको ये जो है कि उसको मेंथॉल को जो है पान वगैरह के अंदर भी उसका यूज़ करते हैं. एंड शेप हेक्सागोनल क्रिस्टल्स यूजुअली नीडल like prism, crystalline powder, fused masses, solubility. Menthol is soluble in ethanol, diethyl ether, acetone, chloroform, acetic acid, hexane, and slightly soluble in water. Chemical constituent, that is the menthol. Molecular formula C10H20O, and menthol on oxidation give menthone, that is the alpha ketone. Isolation of menthol from mentha oil. Menthol is monoterpenoid alcohol obtained from the mentha piperita. So first of all, take accurate weigh quantity of the coarse powder of leaf mentha piperita just before flowering. तो सबसे पहले कोर्स पाउडर ले लेते हैं लीफ का. कोर्स पाउडर लेने के बाद उसको जो है एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं बाय यूजिंग दी स्टीम डिस्टिलेशन मेथड. स्टीम डिस्टिलेशन मेथड से उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं एंड सेपरेट द ऑयल and allow cooling. The crystal of menthol will separate out. Collect the crystals by centrifugation. Recrystallize menthol from acetone or any other low boiling point solvent. Identification and analysis of menthol. Take few crystal of menthol fixed with 5 ml of nitric acid solution prepared by adding 1 ml of nitric acid to 300 ml of glycol acetic acid. Heat on water bath. Within 5 minutes, the liquid develops blue color, which on further heating depends. It show copper color fluorescence. After some time, it becomes golden yellow. Second is, add a small piece of potassium hydroxide into the test tube containing 1 ml of the plant essential oil with heating. The solution was cooled and 1 ml of diethyl ether was added. A few drops of carbon disulfide were added to the solution, the forming of yellow residue that indicate the presence of methanol. Next is, when 10 mg crystals methanol are first dissolved in 4 gram of concentrated 4 drop of concentrated H2SO4 and then a few drop of vanillin sulfuric acid reagent are added, it shows the orange yellow color that ultimately changes the violet on addition of the few drop of water. Next is, a few crystals of methanol are dissolved in glacial acetic acid, and to this solution a mixture of 3 drop of H2SO4 and 1 drop of HNO3 are added. It fails to produce either green or bluish green coloration. The thiamol give green coloration. Next is, the methanol provide the plethora of the compound of the diagnostic value for the differential identification. For the instance, methoxyacetate and nitrobenzoate decamphor sulfonate acid, palmitate, phosphoric acid complex, and 3,5-dinitrobenzoate. Identification test. HPTLC, that is the HPTLC. By using the HPTLC spectra, the methanol crystal is dissolved in chloroform. For sample preparation, the mobile phase is hexane ethyl acetate. Its ratio is 8:2. An HPTLC plate is scanned on the 511 nanometer. You can see in the diagram. Utilization, or you can say uses of menthol. It is used profusely in the various type of mouthwashes, toothpaste and similar oral formulation, and it find its numerous uses of the flavoring agent for chewing gum, candies, throat lozenges, and also certain mentholated cigarettes. Next is, it is mostly used on the mucous membrane or on the skin to serve as a counter irritant, antiseptic, and as a mild stimulant at concentration ranging between 1 to 16%. It employed the conjunction with the other allied substance, example camphor, eucalyptus oil, eucalyptol, in various pharmaceutical preparations such as expectorant, nasal spray, and inhalant to cause the immediate relief from the symptom of nasal congestion, and also used the sinusitis and above all bronchitis. The menthol at lower concentration ranging from 0.1 to 1% when applied to the skin help in the dilation of the blood vessels, offering a cold feeling followed usually by the depression of the sensory cutaneous receptor, thereby the exhibiting an antipyretic action. The perhaps this could be therein for its logical inclusion in the formulation meant for the treating sunburn, minor burn, and dews powder and Thales food for the poison EV rash. So this is my more video, and you can search by my channel Sufiform Dr. Sufyan. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share and press the bell like button. Never miss an update. And also for more detail, please visit my blog. Easy to read the PPT or slide www.sufiform.blogspot.com. Doctor, and one more is that drsufyan.blogspot.com. Thank you.